This video will show you how to archive your old sessions in Messenger Pigeon. Archiving helps you clean out old sessions from your home page without losing any data. From the home page of the Messenger Pigeon app, find the session you would like to archive. Tap and hold on the session until a menu bar appears. From the lower menu bar, select Archive. You will see that your session has disappeared from your home page. At the bottom of your screen, tap the box icon. This will take you to your archive page, where you can see all of your previously archived sessions. Accidentally archived the wrong session or need to reference an old session? Tap and hold on the session until a menu bar appears. From the lower menu bar, select Restore. Navigate back to your home page by tapping the house icon on the bottom of your screen. You will see that the restored session has returned to your home page. You can now open and view the session by tapping on it. That's it. Now you can archive your old sessions in Messenger Pigeon.